So we're going to use AngiosculptX for that distal bit because that was quite stenotic angiographically. There is some tissue there. We've used the 3.0 angiosculpt more proximally. 3.0 is too big to use at the very distal bit. But I think we need a combination of a bit more power and precision, plus we need drug. And if we can combine that with a AngiosculptX
come to AngiosculptX,
one device, it's probably effective. And then it's also working, getting out some agent balloons ready. So 3, 5, 20 probably.
Okay, I'm just going to see where we need to hit on this.
Yeah, there's certainly no point.
No, just within the stent, I think.
Going any more distal,
yeah. It's pretty small. Need a bit of GTN, but you can see there's still that maybe there, and then we'll actually just use the angiosculpt section of it to do that.
The question is whether before we actually put the drug in, whether we should just quickly take a 2.5/20 non-compliant and just balloon it first.
Yeah.
Should we just do
so
that?
the drug is our final.
Yeah. So the drug's the final bit. So hang on. Just keep it just like that. Just hang on to it there. Yeah. Just hold on to it. Don't let it get wet. 2.5/20 non-compliant, please. We'll just use that first. Maybe the camera could focus in on the AngiosculptX. Yeah. Would you mind just showing the camera, Charlie? Probably, I think we're supposed to do this order first, so it makes sense. Thank you. And then if someone could dig out some agent balloons again, 3, 5, 30, I think.
A couple of those, slightly sluggish flow in that OM.
OM is looking a little bit.
So we'll do this, give some GTN,
and
then see.
It's quite a good view to see it, isn't it?
Thanks. Okay, just going to do a stent boost here, please. Clear stent. That looks fine to me. You want to be clear of the distal edge, don't you?
Yeah, I'm going up there then. 18 atmospheres.
Yeah, that's good. And that.
18 atmospheres.
It's probably, or I will do one more half balloon length. But
just open up the cones, please, D.
Perfect. Just there, and then we're good.
Yeah, that's all done now.
Alrighty.
So
okay, I'm just
I think that's pretty good there.
Wire. I think yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah. So going up there with going up slowly, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, I'm down at 55 seconds, which is. We may as well come back and do another couple.
Fix the wire a bit. Okay, yep, that's back.